Hello everybody. I thought I would show you my Monday morning score. I called a friend who has a computer repair shop to see if he had anything he was going to throw away, and I guess he's going to close his doors and said he had a pile of stuff that he has to pay to dispose of. So I went over there and got, I think, 25 computers and various other things. I thought I'd go over them with you. It's starting off, I got looks like a little credit card scanning machine, a little A drive, typical A drive, computer. Got, I think, 13 or 14 hard drives here. And I got some, looks like routers, I think. They could be some kind of switch box, but I think they're routers. Another computer. Oops, I forgot the little narrow computers. Those two. And I got these two here. Another router up on top. And something, little antenna set or something. Looks like I got a camera back here. Some controllers. Got some memory sticks. And it looks like a CPU. It's kind of dark over here, but I guess you'll have to deal with it. What's that underneath there? Oh, tablet underneath there. Another computer, another computer, another computer, another computer. We got up here a bunch of phones, a few flip phones, and just different phones, I guess. That looks like one of them little hot spots. Samsung, or yeah, Samsung, or Verizon, I guess. And I don't know what that, Netgear, I guess, little Netgear box. And just a various board, I guess. A couple more computers over here. And I got this little computer right here. I don't even know what it's a Shuttle X. Never heard of one. A Shuttle X computer. Couple printers. I did want to mention that some of this is total garbage, but I have access to a dumpster. I'm actually lettering a dumpster here in a day or two for a guy, and he brings them over all the time half full for me just to throw anything in. So I offered to take all of this, although some of it is garbage. I hate printers. There ain't nothing on them worth taking, but needless to say, I got a bunch. I don't know if you can even see them. It's kind of dark over here, but here's a couple printers here. And well, that's part of the printer. Looks like a Brother and a HP. Got two flat screen TVs. One's a 58-inch Samsung right here in front. And then kind of over here in behind it. Really hard to see. Wonder if this light will help. Probably not. Nope. In behind here, here's a 55-inch LG. Got a printer, looks like, or a fax machine, I'm sorry. It's even got a phone still on it, one of them old ones. There's just a various board. In behind here I got a, kind of hard to see, but it's an Apple computer. It looks like a monitor, but it's really heavy. It's an actual whole computer, Apple of some type. Got 3 or 4 keyboards here. And I got a laptop here. And another laptop, and another laptop, and another laptop, and another laptop, and another laptop. All different kinds. I have an Acer, a couple IBMs, HP, a Dell, and a Toshiba, and another kind even. I think they're all just a little different. Another big old printer here, Brother printer. Underneath it's a, I don't know, an X5470 something. Oh, a Lexmark. Under that I got a HP printer. Here's another big old printer with looks like something up on top of it. I don't know if it's a switch box and a couple power supplies. It's really, really hard to see. Maybe if that's a little better. And then over here a couple more routers and whatever, Netgear, another printer underneath it. In behind here I got a couple flat screen monitors. I wasn't going to say We got an adding machine over here. Nope, That's a fax machine, I'm sorry. Fax machine over there. And it looks like I got another printer down here in a bag too that I didn't even unbox or unbag. So